today we are making some chocolate glazed healthy donuts. They're paleo, they're free of refined sugar, but they taste so delicious and the glaze on top just really makes them. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see lots more healthy recipes. And let's get into what you're waiting for, which is those chocolate glazed donuts. So this is everything you're going to need in order to create these delicious, healthy chocolate glazed donuts. I'm starting off with some coconut oil, and to that I am going to be adding in some maple syrup. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in some eggs. Now, I haven't tried this recipe with flax eggs, but as long as you leave the flax eggs to really gel, probably about 10-15 minutes, I don't see why they wouldn't work in this recipe. So you're gonna need 3 of those. Go ahead, break up the yolks with a spatula or a whisk and combine everything until it is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of vanilla and then stirring that through so that all of our wet ingredients are combined together. We're gonna add in apple cider vinegar last, along with some cacao and then some coconut flour. And you can't sub the coconut flour for another flour, it's very different. And then you're gonna add in some almond flour along with a pinch of Himalayan salt and some baking soda, which really helps the donuts get that really nice moist donut texture. So fold everything together. I love this because it's really a one bowl recipe. You just need to fold it together till you get your nice dough. So it's gonna be more on the thicker side, as you can see, as opposed to like pouring it. You wanna make sure you have this type of texture. So then I'm using a silicone mold that I got on Amazon, but to be honest, if you do not have a donut mold, you could easily make this into muffins. It's just gonna be a different shape. So if you want the donut shape, go ahead and use a donut mold. If you don't have one, you can definitely use muffins. So once those are done, I bake them at 350 for about 15 minutes. I let them cool completely, and then I'm topping them with a glaze, which, guys, this glaze is my classic one and it's my ride or die. It's so delicious. It's a combo of coconut butter, coconut oil, and a little bit of cacao. So I'm gonna dip each of them into that. And of course, all the measurements and baking instructions, everything will be down in the description box below. So don't worry about having to write it down. So I'm gonna dip each of those into it. And look at the shine, look at the glaze. I was really trying hard and not to eat one of them while I film this, and you have these wonderfully chocolate glazed donuts. They're so delicious and they're filled with great things for you, and you're never gonna know that they're healthy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more healthy desserts, I'm gonna leave my playlist right here. I've made so many throughout the years. There's so many gems and more delicious recipes that you're gonna love right there. So go ahead, check that out. Tag me on Instagram if you make these, because I love sharing your recreations. And I'm gonna go eat one of the donuts because, let's face it, they're delicious. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.